Hi, I'm Clayton Denio, and today I'll be talking to you about sharing a Google Doc. First, you'll need to create your doc. You'll start this process by going to your Google Drive and clicking on the New button and choosing a new Google document. Spend some time working on your Google document, and then when you are ready to share, you'll need to click the blue share icon at the top of the screen on the right side. A pop-up will come out where you have the opportunity to share using individual emails, or you can copy the link. To expand some options, click anywhere in the Get Link box. The box will expand to reveal more options. Here you can get the link and copy that if you have no changes that need to be made. If you do want to make some changes about who can see your file, you can click on the Restricted drop-down menu, and this will give you the choices to give the document to restricted audience, audience within your organization only, or anyone who receives the link. Once you have changed the audience you want to be able to use the document, you can click the Copy Link button and paste it to where you need to, such as in an email or on another document. Or you can add email addresses of those that you need to share with and choose Share. They will receive a message in their Google email or the email that you've chosen to send it to. Thank you. I hope this helps. This has been Clayton Denio on sharing a Google document.